Hi, Heena. Okay, here's problem 10. On problem 10, if you look at x minus 3 over here, there's your denominator. 4 does not have a denominator because it's over 1. And when you look at x squared minus 2x minus 3, that factors into x minus 3x plus 1. So that means your common denominator that I'm going to multiply both sides by is x minus 3 times x plus 1. Remember, this is an equation. So as long as I multiply the left side by the same thing as the right side, then I can multiply by any number I want. I'm going to choose to multiply by the least common denominator on both the left and the right. So on the left, it's pretty hopefully easy to see that we have a common factor of x minus 3 in the numerator and the denominator, and then I'm left with x plus 1 times x plus 1. Okay, on the right-hand side, you're going to need to distribute the x minus 3, x plus 1 to the 4 and to the 12 over x squared minus 2x minus 3. So that you can see it better, once I take the x minus 3 times the x minus 1 times 4, there are no common factors. So that's why I am left with 4 times x minus 3 times x plus 1. Okay. Next, when I distribute it to 12 times x squared minus 2x minus 3, which factors into x minus 3x plus 1, those are common factors, so I'm only left with minus 12. So that's how I attain that step. All right, next. The rest of this is just the algebra to finish this. What I did on the next step is I went ahead and FOILed out the left-hand side and got x squared plus 2x plus 1. And then I FOILed the x minus 3 plus 1 here to get x squared minus 2x minus 3. Then I distributed the 4. So I distributed the 4 to all three of those terms. Okay. Then I combined the negative 12 and the negative 12 to get negative 24. Then I brought everything over to the other side. So I brought this x squared over here, and that's how I yielded a 3x squared. I brought the 2x over, and that's how I yielded a negative 10x. And then I subtracted 1 from both sides, and that's how I got negative 25. Then I went ahead and I factored 3x squared minus 10x minus 25 here. And then I set each of those factors equal to 0 to come up with negative 5/3 and 5. Both of those are okay solutions because the only thing that would ever be extraneous is either 3 or negative 1. Those would cause my denominator to be divisible by 0. And since these answers are not 3 or negative 5, they work. Hopefully this helps. Have a good night.